Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and review a live trading recap that I have from yesterday of some Tesla call options that I took advantage of on that washout long in the morning. So we saw Tesla dip yesterday morning, started to retrace, ultimately had a pretty bad red day, but I was able to catch some of that upward momentum after that washout in the morning. This is a strategy that you guys may have heard about from Matt Has Money. A great trader, makes a lot of money using this strategy, and I was able to lock in some profits with option contracts using that same strategy. You guys will see in the video that I did get out of these contracts a little bit quick. I could have held them a little bit further, but when I got a really strong move after my entry, I was happy to lock in some profits. So guys, as always, before we jump into this one, make sure to smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel for some future videos, and make sure to press that bell notification so you know every single time that I post on this channel. So we got some resistance on Tesla here at the VWAP line. That's also where the 9 EMA is. So at this point, I'm still a little concerned about taking anything. We definitely have some resistance above. And yeah, it could be a bear flag. Definitely. It looks like if Tesla breaks 585, I think you got some downside coming. Let's see if Tesla can break above this VWAP and 9 EMA. Alright, I got filled on a Tesla call, a 600 call. Just looking for a bounce here. The market looks pretty good. Nasdaq's pushing. Let's see if we can break 595. Nice. Nice. Nice move. Alright, I took some profits there. 155 bucks. Nice little scalp to start the morning. I probably should have held that one, but I wanna take some profits here this morning, get the juices flowing a little bit. $155. Damn, look at that. Should have been a little bit more patient. That's a nice move. But this was sort of, so I don't know if you guys remember me saying this, 585, pre-market support, or pre-market resistance. Was it pre-market resistance? What was it? What was I looking at? Yeah, pre-market resistance, perfect support there at 585. So a nice little scalp there off that pre-market resistance turning into support. Nasdaq's moving back higher. I should have definitely held that one. So that's bad on me. A little bit too... It's all hindsight. I'm not going to get upset over some hindsight. But a good trade nonetheless. Let's see if we break out of highs here. That was a great entry that I had. Ouch. That would have been a nice little winner there. Let's see if we break above 608. That'll be my entry to get back in Tesla. But I like this little pullback we have. This looks good. Let it pull back a little bit. I like that. I like it a lot. Let's see if we get back above 608. Peloton looks great. Airbnb looks good. Palantir looks good. Disney. Everything's looking pretty good here. Alright, I got filled on Tesla again. It's a huge move. Right through 610. Let's see if we can hold it. Nasdaq looks great. Looking good. Looking for a 615 break. Taking profits. $400 on the day. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Just a few scalps. Obviously, guys, I could be playing this better. I could have made a lot more money. Like, it's all hindsight at this point. Obviously, if I held that first call that I had, I'd be up $1,000 right now if I held the first call. So I'm up 400 versus 1,000. I'm not too concerned about that. I'm very happy with the morning here so far. It's a really nice move on Tesla. Palantir looking good. I'm just a little concerned. I want to when Tesla moves 2 straight green candles like that, I usually like to see it give a little bit of a pullback. But, you know, I could be totally wrong. This thing could just keep going. All right, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that recap there. Yesterday was a good day, scalping some calls. Today, I didn't take any trades, and that's why I don't have any live trades for you. Even though looking at this market right now, it's an insane market. The NASDAQ is up over 4%. I didn't take advantage of it, but I did take advantage of it in my long-term portfolio. I had some Tesla swing calls. I have a lot of shares of Tesla and a lot of shares of other tech companies. So the long-term portfolio was up over $4,000 today, which is great. In the scalping account, unfortunately, I didn't take anything. I felt like I was chasing. I felt like this was overextended. But on a day like today, when the stock market just continues to go higher, you do sometimes get left on the sidelines. So unfortunate for that. But the long-term portfolio, this is why I try to preach this all the time. Make sure to buy those shares. Make sure to continue to buy even through the tough times, because when there's days like today, you can make a lot of money. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed that live recap. If you want to trade with me live every day, there's going to be a link down in the bio. It's the first link. That is my Discord chat. I trade there live every single morning with the group. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, those links will be down below as well. So guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.